there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's your Jamaican girl, Norley, with another authentic Jamaican meal. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another authentic Jamaican meal.
Welcome family and friends to my kitchen. Now people, today may I use 2 zucchini. I'm using a tomato. I've sliced that, some chopped onion, scallion, some finely chopped garlic, some ginger, some shredded carrot, some assortment of bell pepper, tomato, parsley, coconut milk, and some mozzarella cheese. So guys, I'm gonna cut my zucchini in half-inch slices. I'm no wonder what me I go do in our kitchen. So guys, just stay tuned because me I gonna match up something in a real time for now.
If you are new to my channel, please press this subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel for my favorite Jamaican, Caribbean, and international meals. And remember to turn on your post notification so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen and like my Facebook page and walking in my
So family and friends, I will be doing the coconut cream sauce and frying the zucchini simultaneously. So in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, I'm sauteing some onion, garlic, and ginger. And in the next frying pan in canola oil, I'll be frying my zucchini on both sides.
Please leave your comment in the comment section. And when this video is over, share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe.
No guys, the zucchini doing its thing, and boy, the sauteed ginger and garlic onion thing, it smells so good. So to that, I'm gonna add 350 grams of coconut milk, quarter cup of water. I'm gonna add to that my favorite steak season, about a teaspoon, some green blended season, about a tablespoon, half a teaspoon of salt, some cracked pepper. I'm going to cover that and allow that to cook for about 15 minutes. My usual viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, on large and in charge as always.
If you are celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. Know that Wims celebrate your special moment with you. Please leave your special dates in the comment section, and when your day comes around, Wims will share my love with
no, my whimsical family, you can see in the pot. The sauce has reduced, and to that, I'm going to add all my chopped vegetables. I'm talking about the rest of the onion, the bell pepper, the scotch bonnet pepper, the tomato, the shredded carrots. I will then add a quarter cup of water and the mozzarella cheese, guys, and I'm just going to allow this to simmer for about 2 minutes.
The food for thought comes to us today
from Psalm 100, verse 4.
It says, "Enter into his gates with thanksgiving and into his courts with praise. Be thankful unto him and bless his holy name." The Lord has been indeed awesome. He has been good to us. He has provided all the things that we need. And so we ought to be thankful and give him your thanks of praise.
All right, whimsical friends, it's time to nice up the pot. The zucchini look good. It's time to add it to the sauce. Guys, I'm going to nice it up with some blended season. I'm going to add some garlic salt. I'm going to add to that some cilantro, some parsley. I'm going to add a little bit of more salt for taste. And then I'm going to add the remainder of the mozzarella cheese. Now, guys, I want this for cheesy, creamy, and nice. And trust me, guys, this looks awesome. I'm just gonna top it off with a tablespoon of honey, and then guys, of course, I'm gonna add to that some green onions for garnishing, and see there, it done. It ready, it smell good, and guys, I can assure you this tastes good. You can't lose half of the meal, yeah, if you try it in your kitchen. All right, guys, so it's time to plate this so you can see what it looks like. I will be serving this with some fettuccine, people, and I'm just gonna layer on my zucchini and then add to that the sauce over it, and then gonna top it off with some Parmesan cheese and of course some sesame seed. It doesn't get better than this, people. I can't wait to dive in. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Guys, this is awesome. It's mouth-watering goodness on your palate. It's just incredible, wonderful vegan meal that I have shared with you. It's been my pleasure taking you on my cooking journey in my kitchen. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week with another of my mother's favorite recipe.
Please press the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel for my favorite Jamaican, Caribbean, and international meals. And remember to turn on your post notification so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you for coming along with me in the kitchen where I did for you cooking Jamaican style.